we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County, southwestern Denton County, east central Parker County, and for western Tarrant County until 11:15. We have a cluster of severe thunderstorms located over Pelican Bay in Wise County near Briar, moving south at about 15 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and small hail. Once again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Wise, Denton, Parker, and Tarrant counties for a cluster of severe thunderstorms covering parts of Wise, Denton, and even eastern Tarrant County, moving to the south at 15 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Back here on WBAP, a number of severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued within the last couple of hours, and we have new severe thunderstorm warnings to pass along to you now. We have severe thunderstorm warnings for northern Johnston County, southeastern Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis County, and southwestern Dallas County until 11:45. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.